Have you ever wondered where modern science fiction got many of its fantastic machines? Imagine, over 100 years ago, a writer dreaming up submarines that travel under the polar ice caps and rockets that can fly to the moon. Well, that man existed, and his name was Jules Verne. Today, we're diving into the astonishing inventions Jules Verne created through his novels long before they became realities. Stay tuned to explore how Verney predicted the future. Let's start by exploring one of Verne's most famous inventions, the submarine, specifically the Nautilus from 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Picture this, a submarine that can dive deeper than any other at the time, complete with a living room, library, and sea view panels. Verne wrote about this in 1870, nearly 50 years before the real-world submarine became practical in the early 20th century. Next, did you know Jules Verne thought of space travel? In From the Earth to the Moon, he envisioned a spacecraft launched from Florida to explore the moon. This was in 1865, over a century before Apollo 11 made that same journey. He even calculated the physics needed for the launch, a detail that astounds scientists even today. Transitioning to a slightly different realm, let's talk about the Albatross from the novel Robur the Conqueror. This invention is basically a giant helicopter, an aircraft sustained by multiple rotors, capable of long-distance flights and precise movements. Thinking about helicopters, which only became a reality in the 1930s, Verne was way ahead of his time. Now, we can't discuss Verne's inventions without mentioning the lesser-known but equally intriguing Paris in the 20th century. In this unpublished manuscript, he described a world filled with skyscrapers of glass and steel, high-speed trains, and even the internet, a world that closely mirrors our own. Verne didn't stop there. In The Carpathian Castle, 1892, he envisioned devices resembling the television, the video recorder, and the camcorder. Imagine seeing and recording moving images long before these technologies existed. Moreover, in The Begum's Fortune, 1879, Verne introduced the concept of chemical warfare with his depiction of combat gas, predicting a dark aspect of modern warfare that would become a grim reality in the 20th century. Each of these inventions, dreamed up in the 19th century, shows Verne's incredible foresight. His imaginative concepts not only entertained, but also inspired actual technological advances. As we reflect on these ideas, we realize how Verne's creativity sparked generations of scientists and inventors. Isn't it fascinating how a novelist from the 1800s influenced so many technological advances we take for granted today? Jules Verne's vision extends beyond mere science fiction. It's a testament to the power of imagination. What other inventions do you think could be lingering in the pages of old books, waiting to be realized? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed our journey through Verne's inventions, and make sure to share this video with fellow tech and literature enthusiasts. Until next time, keep imagining the impossible.